Welcome to Module 3. So happy you made it. In Module 2, you learned how to describe a dataset, calculate summary statistics, clean type errors, and audit for bias. You produced a data quality memo that documented everything you found. In this module, we go beyond that. This is a process called exploratory data analysis, or EDA. This is what separates a data enthusiast who simply summarizes data from one who truly understands it. Let's again take a scenario of a journalist named Dia. She works with one of the popular news wires and has to create a data story. She has a data set for health indicators across Asia-Pacific countries. Based on it, she needs to answer the question, which countries are improving and is health spending driving those improvements? She cannot answer that by just calculating a mean. To answer her question, she needs to explore the data and see how values are spread across countries. Understand how values change over time. Look at relationships whether health spending and health outcomes move together. This is where she uses exploratory data analysis, exploring the data to find the questions worth asking and the patterns worth reporting. There is a key distinction from Module 2. There you knew what you were looking for. You had a specific decision question. Now, EDA is different. You start without a specific answer in mind. You let the data show you what is interesting. You ask, what is unexpected here? What is the distribution of this variable? Is it what I would have predicted? What happens when I look at two variables together? Do they move in the way I expected? EDA is how you build the story from the data, rather than building the data around the story. EDA connects directly to the data-driven decision-making workflow, where step 3 is analysis, step 4 is insight. EDA lives across both steps. You're generating the findings that will eventually inform a recommendation. But EDA also comes with a warning. Because EDA is open-ended, because you're looking for patterns without a predetermined question. It is possible to find patterns that look meaningful but are not. This is why the bias audit matters here too. Every pattern you find in EDA needs to be examined thoroughly. Who was included? What does the measure actually capture? What is invisible in this dataset? EDA discovers patterns. Critical thinking decides which ones are real. In the next video, we will look at specific 5-step framework you will use throughout this module and introduce the dataset you will explore. See you in video 2.